Welcome to OjO Technologies Pvt Ltd. As you all are aware that OjO Technologies Pvt Ltd has always been striving for something new. So let me introduce you to our new factory premises that is in Surajpur Industrial Area, Noida. We have manufactured this mobile toilet. This mobile toilet is a 4-seater mobile toilet right now. I'll explain you everything. The front, if you see here, it is the pulling area of this one. Yeah, this one, if you can see, it can be pulled like this, so you can tag it to any vehicle, and then vehicle can go. This is the water storage tank. Standard. This is 500 liter here with a good quality 5-layer tank, and this whole structure is made on mild steel and FRP. So if you see this is the base, which is made of again mild steel, and this is the wheel, and the wheel size is, it's written here, I can show you, it is 6x16 and with 5-bolt rim with complete set of axle and wheelbase. And then you have the tank on the down. This tank has been made on special order. It is around 600 plus capacity. Yeah. And these are the cabins, and this is the stair. This stair will come down and then anybody can climb up. And this is the structure. If you see, there is a switch, there is a provision for putting a bulb inside. You open the door from here, go inside, and as you go inside there is a light facility. And then of course this is pure stainless steel WC, and the floor is painted with anti-rust paint on MS. And here, if you see, the client requirement was for western toilet, so the western toilet has been provided here with the hand flush and a provision of tap inside. If you see, it's here, and of course the light provision is there. And this is the back side of the mobile toilet. Here it is basin, wash basin to clean your hand, to keep your soap here. There is a soap stand, and then of course the mirror with a hanger of provision of keeping your clothes, your towel, anything. And this is the other side of the toilet. This has got same structure with Indian WC. Again with 100% stainless steel base, light provisioning, and then the roof. This is what it looks like. We have prepared 2 units to be dispatched right now. It is getting cleaned before the dispatch. I hope you like the video and you like to deal with us. Thank you so much for watching this video, and welcome again to OjO Technologies Pvt Ltd.